Hey everyone, I'm Sam.
And I'm Chris.
And this week on Upgraded, the SuperStang is getting proper looked after. This Mustang could be your new whip. Yep, you can win this beast. All that you've got to do is purchase anything online at repco.com.au or in-store on your Repco Ignition membership. Last week, we fully serviced the SuperStang and it is now as fresh as it gets. This week though, we're going to show you a few tips and tricks for keeping your car in tip-top shape when parked up between drive days. Now this is for any kind of car that's not your daily driver, something you might take out on sunny weekends to pedal some twisty back roads, or even your track toy that you get out a few times a year.
It's for any pride and joy, whether it's a classic, a caravan, a camper van, or even your boat. With vehicles sitting in the shed, you want to make sure they're ready to go when you are. Sam, rolling the bench. Sometime today, mate, you're on your wheel of fortune. Well, mate, this is everything we need to fit today.
Excellent. I remember the last time I installed a battery on my Corolla. Have I ever told you the story about my...
We've got car covers, battery charging system, a new battery for the Mustang, and a battery monitor as well. I'll leave you to it.
Remember, if you don't have the right tools or experience to work on your vehicle, head to your local mechanic. Alright, so first job today, we're going to be fitting up a new battery to the SuperStang. Now Repco have got a battery for nearly everything with an engine. And all Repco batteries, they're proudly designed and supplied by Century USA, the makers of Century batteries. They're a direct replacement for your vehicle and are also available in larger CCA capacity and warranty length. Now we've got the perfect battery right here for the SuperStang. And while I'm doing the battery, it's the perfect time to hook up a smart battery monitoring system. Well, Century have given us one of their smart battery monitors, and this connects to your smartphone. It can wirelessly test the cranking system and analyse the charging system all from your phone. Suitable for all 12-volt lead-acid batteries, it's a great gadget to keep an eye on the health of your battery system. I'm also going to be hooking up a CTEK eyelet terminal quick connect kit. This is going to make a little more sense when we run through the actual charger itself. It's time to get my hands dirty. So the negative and the positive terminals have been disconnected. There's a small battery clamp holding the battery in place. It's an 8mm. We're going to get a socket onto that now, and then we'll pull out the factory battery. One of the upgrades over the factory battery is this water indicator in the top. Water's green, the battery is okay. If it's any other colour than that, it needs some attention. All right, sick, well I'm all done, the battery's buttoned up. I reckon this pony is ready.
Whoa. This is why I don't leave him unsupervised. Out of the way, mate.
What do you mean?
Forgetting the two most important things of this whole job. We've got the pig stuff for the CTEK, and we've got the Century battery monitor.
Well, I mean,
You're colourblind, mate.
Well, what do I do?
Go download the app.
All right, mate, I'm onto it.
Let's do it. We're going to start with the Century battery monitor. What this does, it allows you to check your charging rate, your battery stability, and also the cranking amps from your phone. All right, one thing to consider is if you have a late model vehicle, you can have a temperature sensitive or a variable voltage alternator. So what that means is you'll have peaks and troughs, and there'll be times where the alternator's not charging because it'll actually disconnect to lower your carbon footprint. It's a real easy install. We're actually going to install the CTEK pigtail harness first because it's a round eyelet, and the eyelet will actually sit on top of the C, giving a bit better clamp down. All right, this is a little bit of overkill, but I'm old school, so I like to do things the right way. We're going to insulate the cabling just in case it actually rubs or arcs out. This way it's all protected. So since we put a new battery in there, it's always good practice to protect your battery terminals from corrosion. An easy way to do that is to use some CRC battery terminal spray. It's a real simple process. The battery terminals are clean, you just spray it on, let it dry, and they're protected. And I normally do it every service, so it's easy as.
All right, we're going to run some battery diagnostics. I've downloaded the Century app. Chris, start the engine, mate. All right, so we're looking at the current battery volt test. So it's currently charging and sitting at 14.5 volts. So the current crank voltage sitting at 9.79. So the charging voltage at idle speed's 14.5 volts, and the charging voltage at 2500 is 14.59. Battery's good.
Okay, so the SuperStang's all set up for its trickle charging. It really is that simple, guys. It's a positive and negative with a quick release clamp. We don't have to worry about the pesky clamps. We just plug it in. The CTEK unit has 8 modes of charging. It also has an ambient temperature sensor for precise charging and a direct power supply. This bad boy's going in the boot, so the new owner is good to go.
All right, so the battery's all sorted. It's now time to protect the SuperStang's precious paintwork with a Repco car cover. First up is the Repco light duty car cover. Now this is designed for if the vehicle is going to be parked up in a garage, it's going to protect it from dust and the occasional rub up against the vehicle. Next is a medium duty car cover. This is perfect for if the vehicle is going to be parked up outside under a carport, still getting some protection from the elements. This is going to protect it from those little bits that get in between. Last up, heavy duty car cover. Now this is designed for if the vehicle is going to be parked up in the street, protection from all weather conditions no matter what is going on. We've decided to lock in a medium duty car cover for the SuperStang. We're going to chuck this in the boot for the winner of the vehicle.
If you've got a few cars in your stable or a track cart, the last thing you think about is fuel. Now fuel can go off and turn to varnish. What it's going to do is clog the lines up. There's an easy solution to this. Grab some fuel stabiliser. It's a real easy process. It's 25 mils per 20 litres. You pour it in, away you go. One thing you need to think of, if you're running E85, you need to run an E85 blend.
Well everyone, there you go. Hopefully you've picked up a few tricks on how to store your car away for its next hibernation.
But in all seriousness, I hope you can just get it back out there and drive your car more often. Doesn't matter if it's rain, hail or shine, just get out there and enjoy it.
Yeah, good call, mate. Remember, once we've finished building this Mustang, we're going to be giving it away to one lucky Repco customer.
All you need to do to win is purchase anything online at repco.com.au or purchase anything in store with your Ignition membership. It's that easy.
Yeah, pretty easy. Make sure that you keep up to date with the entire build series by following us on Facebook and Instagram at Repco Australia. You can also check out previous episodes at Repco's YouTube channel. We'll catch you next week for another episode.
See you guys.